Hello my friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. Still explain how to use Facebook app step by step. Nowadays almost app, website and games access to their user to use Facebook account to access their application instead of create a new account. So today we'll explain how to turn on or turn off Facebook account to access app, website and games. Let me show you how can we do that. At first tap on Facebook app icon. Then press on 3 horizontal line which shown on top right. Scroll down a little bit till we get setting and privacy. After that press on settings. Scroll down a little bit till we get apps and websites. Then press on turn off. If you want to turn off, just press here. Scroll down a little bit till we get turn off. Now you already turn off Facebook account to access app, website and games. If you want to turn on, just press on this icon, turn on. Then press on turn on. Now you already turn on Facebook account to access apps, website and games. Here we reach to the end of the video. In this video we explain how to turn on or turn off Facebook account to access apps, website and games. That's it. If you find that our content is helpful, you can support us by tap on subscribe. You can also press on bell and tap on all to get notification for all new videos. By the way, if you have any comments, please don't hesitate to write to us and we will do our best to respond to all comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and see you in next video. Bye bye.